Is your Jeep Renegade failing to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps and music? Statistically, 80% of these connection glitches are caused by simple cable faults or minor software handshakes. Let us break down the steps to get your infotainment system back on track. Start by ruling out the basics, like using a certified cable and checking your phone port for dust. Next, dive into your Uconnect settings to forget the phone and repair it as a fresh device. If it still fails, a hard reset of your head unit or an iPhone network setting reset usually does the trick. Most fixes are DIY, but if the hardware is damaged, you will need a professional to inspect the media hub. As you can see, the vast majority of these issues are solved by just swapping out your charging cable. For persistent issues, pulling the radio fuse or updating your firmware via a thumb drive can provide a permanent fix. Keep these simple tools in your glove box to handle any future connectivity hiccups on the road. Remember, sometimes the most complex technology just needs a fresh start to remember how to talk to your phone. If these steps helped you reconnect, hit that like button and subscribe for more Jeep troubleshooting guides.